Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Zapier with Facebook in 2024. So today we're diving into how to use Zapier with Facebook. Of course, if you're a business owner, marketer, or content creator, this tutorial is for you. So with Zapier, you can automate tasks like managing leads, posting content, and also syncing some data across platforms. So this integration makes it very easy to simplify your Facebook processes, saving you time and energy. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, all you need to do, go to this URL section. Here, make sure to type facebook.com and hit the enter button. The same, of course, will be for Zapier. So type zapier.com, hit the enter button. Of course, if it's your first time, you'll be taken to another tab or to another page in both like Facebook and Zapier. So example, if you already logged in, you'll find yourself here. For Facebook, it's gonna be here as well. So if you're not logged in to Facebook or Zapier, as we said, you'll find yourself on Zapier here. So you can click at the top right corner login option to log in into your account, and you can click on it. As example, you'll find here, so let's just wait for the page. So as you can see, you can find that you can log in with using a Google, Facebook, or also Microsoft account. And if you click on sign up to create an account, you can use also Google for that if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. So the same will be for Facebook. If you have an account, log into it. If you don't, click on create a new account and make sure to create that account. So once you're logged in, as example, first we'll need to connect this Facebook to our Zapier. So to do so, just go to this left panel, click on apps in here. And once you click on apps, of course, this should take you into the apps tabs. And once you are in there, just go and look for Facebook. Facebook. And as you can see, you can connect now multiple things depending on whatever you're trying to achieve with this connection. So as an example, you can connect Facebook leads ads if you're trying, as we said before, to if you're a marketer trying to do something with ads, and it's basically up to you to choose whatever you're trying to do with it. If you're trying, for example, to connect a specific page, you'll be able to do so. If you're trying, as an example, to post content, if you're trying to sync some data, maybe you'd like Facebook conversions, or maybe I don't know. So it's up to you to choose whatever suits you. Let's say, an example, I'm trying to automate some tasks like posting content on my page. So I'll just go here to Facebook page and click on connect. Once I click on connect, of course, they'll take me to connect into my Facebook account right away because I'm already logged in before. If you're not logged in, of course, they'll ask you to. And as you can see, make sure to give all the things. So, for example, choose the pages that you want Zapier to page on. So optional into all current and future pages, or optional into current pages only. It's up to you, of course, to choose whatever suits you. Click on continue. And as you can see, once you give it access, it will receive, of course, you will receive your email address. You'll be able or pages, of course, is requesting permissions to receive your email address, create and manage content on your page, read content posted on the page, manage accounts, you read user content on the page, show a list of the pages that you manage, and etc. As you can see. So if you agree to that, just click on save, and then it should be, as an example, yeah, it's connected. So I'll just go here and click on got it. Now, basically, it's connected. What you'll need to do is just how to use it. How to use it, basically, if we go to this list panel, click on Zaps, and here, of course, you can go and click on Create to create a new Zap, as you can see right here. So just go and click on Create a new Zap. This, basically, you should find yourself in here. So in here, as an example, so here you can use this copilots, which will help you use like this, however you want. So as an example, I want to automate, as an example, so to automate like posting contents, so posting content in my Facebook page, as simple as that, and hit the enter button. So I asked Copilot to do it for me. As an example, maybe I'm not good at using triggers and actions, so I'll just wait for Copilot to create that. So as an example, you can automate posting new content. to your Facebook page whenever you added a specific Google Sheets. So they just give us a random like trigger. So I can add as an example this. So and change this trigger. So maybe you would like to post the content whenever maybe I don't know what exactly we're trying to automate here. So maybe when I receive I want to post content when I receive an email as example. I don't know, an email. So I'll just do that. Okay, don't write receive like that, but it's fine. So I'll just wait for the suggestions that I will get. So yeah, email by Zapier, why not? So I'll just go and add this as a trigger. And yeah, I don't need Copilot anymore. Of course, if you need this again, just go to this bottom left corner, click on it, and it will be opened. So now I can just go and click on that. Configure it, of course. You'll have to enter the email address, then test it out. The same will be for Facebook pages. Because we choose Facebook pages, the event is create an example page post. So you'll have to choose configuration. You'll have to give the specific page and the specific image and also a link URL if you want to. This is just optional. You don't have to add it. Once you add the page, a specific page and the message, as an example, you can test it out. Once both tested, you'll find a check button. You can then afterwards go and click on published as an example. Once it's published, the thing that you choose in here, it will be automated. So that's how you use basically Facebook with Zapier. Of course, this is not the only thing that you can use using like here Zapier and Facebook. You can also connect multiple other stuff. If you want to go and check them out, of course, you can go and do it by your own because it's in an endless ocean that you can dive through. As you saw before, we can connect like just Google Pages, Google Facebook leads, a lot of things that you can go and do it by your own. So it's up to you to decide and check those stuff out by your own. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.